Yo, what up? Welcome back to another quick Flutter tutorial. So we've got this nice login screen that we created and we can sign users in. Now I want to add a little nice touch to this, which is I want to add a circular loading widget to make the app feel more alive and also give the users some feedback that something is loading in the background. So right now, if I try to sign someone in, let's sign in with one of the emails that we created earlier. It's gonna work and we get into the app, but there's that little delay of like a second or two, and that's where I want to add a loading widget just to let the user know that something is happening. So what I'm gonna do is in our login page, if you look at the sign in method, so this is the method to sign a user in. What I'm gonna do is show a loading circle. So we're going to show a dialog, and in this dialog, let's return a circular progress indicator. So if you save this, let's try it now. So billgates@gmail.com, and if I sign users in, this loading widget is what I want. Okay, now a couple of things we got to fix is it's filling up the whole page. So you can just wrap this in a center widget. So let's try again, billgates@gmail.com. Cool, yep, that's the loading widget I want. And then we want to dismiss this after we've actually loaded in, right? So show the loading circle when we sign in, and then after we've signed in, then let's pop this. Cool, so let's just try one more time. billgates@gmail.com, and give me a little loading circle, and once we're in, then dismiss the barrier. Cool, so this is a nice little touch that you should add in your app. Even if it's only loading for like 1 second or 2 seconds, you should still put in this loading circle to make the app feel much more real and also alive, and it gives the user some feedback as to what's happening. So just a nice, easy and quick video for today. By the way, I bought this little pop filter to put on top of my microphone, so hopefully it upgrades my audio a little bit. I think it helps with like the popping noises, like if I say P's and B's and things like that. So if anyone listening is a audio expert, you can judge me and critique my audio setup because I want to improve this over time. So let me know how my audio sounds. But yeah, other than that, this is how you implement the loading widget. Maybe in the next one I'll show you some cool, fun, different animations for the loading widgets. So just play around with it and make sure to put this into your apps. Let me know if you have any problems, but aside from that, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.